gonna watch this right here. Hey! Opening's good though, yeah? You having a good time? Hey, thank you guys so much, man. Awesome, man. Hope you. Sorry. You're welcome. Hey, have fun. Are you guys coming back for tomorrow? Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, man. I appreciate it. See you. Don't worry.
We have
Don't worry.
subscribed to the channel.
Don't worry. I got you. I got you. Don't worry, guys. Thanks, bro. See you guys. See ya. Cześć, dzień dobry, wszystko dobrze. I'm feeling amazing right now, but I think it's so important. By the way, this is day 3 of opener. I'm feeling much better right now. It's almost like 2 or 3 p.m. You know, I think it's really important, the journey, and I feel like if I start right now, it gives a false impression of what today is actually like. The day actually started really far from here and in a lower state of energy. So I think we're gonna go back to Josh. So it started, we'll go back to the beginning where today actually started, and then we'll be back at this point after. Wszystko dobrze. Opener day 2 officially finished with some awesome people last night. I can't even explain the energy, everything. Oh my goodness, super amazing, super amazing. Went to the Crazy House on Sopot. If you guys know about this place, it's a really cool place you gotta check out. Must have been with like 9 people in this city. It was an awesome place. But I'm here, starting today here in Sopot. Gotta make my way back to Gdynia, to Gdańsk. Yeah, and this is day number 3. Back to here a little bit later in the afternoon. I've realized one thing here in Poland and Eastern Europe, I'm realizing, is you can get cherries everywhere. Cherries are good, they hydrate you, and you can buy them on like every single corner. So I'm gonna have some cherries, find a place to chill. I have about another 3 or 4 hours till I gotta head back to Gdynia to the start of day 3 of opener. Oh my.
This is Buakostik.
Ei vittu. No niin mitäs me jäädään tästä velkaa? Ei tästä mitään tarkoittaa. Kato, lähdetään näin. Mä uskon, että se turhaan toi pyölaukku. Nimenomaan. Ei oo turhaan Vitorin laukku.
Okay, hearing the bells. Work is finished. Pretty interesting conversation. Snakes, a lot of interesting times. But now it's time for opener, day number 3. Day number 3. Here we go, opener, day 3. Day 3. Can you guys understand? Can you understand what they're saying? Any word. We've been talking for like 5 minutes, and he didn't know it was a video call. I've been staring at your ear the whole time. See you guys, see ya. Day 3. Day 3. like this.
Did they do
You
poses?
gotta look up. No, they come like this. Look up, and then, yeah, slow. But I got it. It's gonna be a slow mo. No, it's recording.
Okay. 1, 2.
Let's see. You just gotta look up. You just gotta look up. We got it. Cut. We got it. You know, that was it.